Hi, so this is just going to be a quick assembly video for printed Vortex magazines. I have already glued together the extension, the bottom cap, and the coupler for the extension. I got it about, halfway through the coupler. So the main tricky part is getting the springs in. So what I've found to work best is I'm going to take some tape here. I'm going to sit the spring in the little channel on the follower. Whoops. And then I'm going to stretch the top of it up like that. And take a piece of tape, kind of just secure that on there. Then I'm going to take the other side. So this is going to start like this, down with the end pointing down. We're going to stretch it up to the top. Tape it. And then you can just slide your follower into here, to the main body of the magazine. Push it on up. Then now I'm going to want something to hold this up here. So I'm going to just keep it pressed up with this bar. Grab a pair of pliers. Undo this tape. Grab just the end here and tuck it down over the little tab that it's supposed to sit in. This might take a couple of tries to get right. Also, I'm going to take the other side of the tape out. But this is probably the easiest way I've found to get the magazine springs in. Otherwise, you're trying to stretch them down through the body of the magazine, and they just keep unfurling. Now I've got it, so I can just press it down in there. And now it slides a little less nicely when it doesn't get pushed down evenly, but then you're just going to want to go ahead and glue these two parts together. I'm just going to use some super glue because that seems to work pretty well, at least when I've printed these out of PLA. Make sure I've got it pressed down in there all the way. I think that's all the way in. So now I just need to let it dry.